Alright people, here we are, Mo Mummy at the Luxor, Las Vegas. You can't see it, but we're in a big pyramid, and here's a big pyramid. So let us win a lot of money. Right, it's only fitting if we're in a big pyramid that we can have a home field advantage on Mo Mummy. I think it's just correct math, right? Come on, they're all very big. Let's go. Where's our big pyramid energy? We need that big pyramid energy, come on. Oh yeah? Come on, Mr. Mummy? Nope. Are you gonna do something for us? You're just gonna put your cool hat on? The first time playing at the Luxor, and we're like the first game we have to actually play is Mo Mummy. First of all, it's one of our favorite games. Second of all, we're in a pyramid. Since we're in a pyramid, we think we have an advantage, right? Or not, who knows? Oops. Oh, he was up there. I saw him, now he's over there. Where are you going? Can we do this? Yes? No. Oh, he was up there again. He keeps wanting to show his face. Oops. That's not a line. It's not real waves, I guess. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we just keep changing our bet. Yes? No? Well, the pyramid luck is not, unless the pyramid luck is not a thing yet. Unless that would have been a good time to hit it. Oh, I've never popped it with 2. That would have been crazy. That would have been a good time. Of course, stating the obvious. Okay. Mr. Mummy, come on. Okay, so far the home field advantage until is not a thing. Wild Wild West. We want our mini, so please give us that jackpot bonus. Oh, he was right up there too. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna wait for 10 minutes, see if it doesn't want to do it. Just in case. Yes. No. Come on, Mr. Mummy. I thought we'd go way back. And we're at your home court. Can we get an iced coffee with a little bit of sugar, please? Thank you. Two, sorry, yes. 2 iced coffees, sugar, thank you. Got the iced coffee ordered, but we need to order up some wins on this. Let's see. What's the minimum on this? Yeah, I'll try that. Yeah, try that one. I think you should. Everything went by, but nothing hit. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Oh, he was up there. Hello? Yes? No. Come on. Hello? Okay. All right. Mr. Mummy, come on. Oh, something's happening. Please be green. Oh, it's gonna be the jackpot, I think. Oh, yeah. It's a good line hit, too, with it. So let's get our mini. We got the jackpot shaky feature. We wanted the... Actually, I hate free games, so I'd rather have the jackpot, I think, than free games. But in free games, you can hit the cash collect, so... You wanna see? You wanna see the mini? Oh my god, it takes like so long for it to start ringing. What is that? Looks like we're gonna recoup some of our money, people. Okay. Hello. Okay. Grand, yes. Oh, then... What is that? Oh, I got the maxi! $300 almost, yes! I didn't even know what I was picking. I didn't even know what the heck I was picking, okay? That's actually the progressive that I saw when I was like, I'm gonna get that maxi. I was thought in my head when I walked over. That's a good one. All right, thank you, Mr. Mummy. I guess the home field advantage. The home field advantage at the Luxor. We're in a pyramid. We're winning money from a pyramid. All of the things that are awesome. All right, thank you, Mr. Mummy. We appreciate it. All right, 290. So 11 backup spins like before? Yeah, 11 backups. And we got a good line hit too, so 1. Oh. Do that now, huh? 2. 3. There's a chance, there's 3 chances. Okay, the wrong one, but I like that one too. You silly goose, come on, pop it though. That was 3, right? So 4. 5. 6. Yes. 7. 8. Number 9. Okay, 10. Still do it though? Oh, Mr. Mummy. And then number 11. Sando. All right, we appreciate it. That was a good one. So far, so good. Mo Mummy inside of a temple. We like it so far. We'll see you in the next one, people.